In Windows 10, managing multiple applications efficiently sometimes means quickly minimizing all open windows to get a clear view of your desktop. Today, we'll explore a handy feature that allows you to minimize all open windows at once with a single click, without affecting any applications. To minimize all open windows at once, look for the Show Desktop button located in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. This button looks like a tiny sliver of a rectangle. Simply move your mouse cursor to the far right end of the taskbar and click on this button. Instantly, all open windows will be minimized, revealing your desktop. If you need to access your open windows again, don't worry. Clicking on the Show Desktop button once more will restore all minimized windows exactly as they were before. This allows you to quickly switch between your desktop and your applications without any interruption to your workflow. Minimizing all open windows at once can be incredibly useful when you need to quickly access desktop files or shortcuts, or if you just need a moment of visual clarity. It's a convenient way to clear your workspace without closing any applications or losing any work. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus D. D stands for desktop to minimize all open windows and go directly to the desktop. It works same to minimize all windows at a time and show all windows comes right back. This provides another quick way to access your desktop when needed. So, the Show Desktop button in Windows 10 offers a simple yet powerful way to minimize all open windows at once, providing you with a clear view of your desktop without affecting any applications. Whether you need to access desktop files or simply take a breather from your work, this feature is a valuable tool in your productivity arsenal. In Windows 10, there's a nifty feature called Windows Shake that lets you quickly minimize all open windows except for the one you're currently working on. Today, we'll explore how this feature works and how it can help you stay focused and organized while multitasking. To activate Windows Shake, simply click and hold the title bar of the window you want to keep active. Then, give it a quick shake by moving the mouse back and forth or left and right while holding down the left mouse button. As you shake the window, all other open windows on your desktop will minimize, leaving only the one you shook open and active. If you want to restore the minimized windows, simply repeat the process by clicking and holding the title bar of the active window and shaking it again. This will restore all the minimized windows to their previous positions on the desktop, exactly as they were before. The Windows Shake feature is particularly useful when you have multiple windows open and need to quickly focus on one task without the distraction of other windows cluttering your screen. It's a simple yet effective way to declutter your workspace and stay focused on the task at hand.